Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a fried salmon sandwich. So let's get right into it. So first things first, I have 2 slices of salmon here that I've already cleaned off camera, and we're gonna go ahead and season them. I went ahead and seasoned mine with some garlic powder. I also seasoned it with some lemon pepper, onion powder, paprika, and Tony's Creole seasoning. Now, once you go ahead and add all those seasonings to your salmon, you just want to rub your salmon down really well with those seasonings and then go ahead and put it to the side so we could go ahead and get started on our flour mixture. And now that we have our salmon put to the side, we can start on our flour mixture. So I went ahead and did a full cup of flour, a full cup of cornstarch. I did half a tablespoon of garlic, half a tablespoon of onion powder, half a tablespoon of lemon pepper, half a tablespoon of paprika, half a tablespoon of Old Bay, and also half a tablespoon of Creole seasoning. I went ahead and mixed that all together, and now that our flour is done, we could go ahead and start to coat our salmon for our fry. So now that our flour is ready, it's time to coat our salmon. So first I'm going to coat my salmon in my flour, then my egg wash, then my flour, and then we're actually doing 2 coats. So after I add it to the flour again, I'm going to add it back into the egg wash and then back into the flour, and we're going to do that with both pieces of salmon. And then once we have both pieces of salmon coated, you're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes before you add it to the grease. That way your breading will stick to your salmon and it won't fall off during the frying process. So after you've had your salmon sitting for about 5 minutes, you want to go ahead and add it to your hot grease. Now my stove is set to about medium high, and depending on how big your salmon is, you want to go ahead and cook it for about 8 to 15 minutes. Now my salmon, I cooked mine for 12 minutes. It was at the perfect golden brown and cooked all the way through for me. Now you will just have to keep an eye out on yours depending on how big it is. Now this is what my salmon looked like after the 12 minutes, and it was perfectly cooked, perfectly golden brown. So I went ahead and took it off the grease, and I put it to the side. Now, I went ahead and put that to the side, and I went ahead and toasted some brioche buns in some butter on my stovetop. You guys don't have to do this. This is optional, but I do recommend toasting your buns because why not? It adds flavor and texture. Hello. Once your buns are toasted, you want to go ahead and start to put your sandwich together. But before we put our sandwich together, I'm going to take some plain mayo and season it up because, hello, why not? Don't you want this sandwich to be bursting in flavor? Exactly. So I went ahead and seasoned my mayo with Old Bay, onion powder, garlic powder, lemon pepper, and paprika. Mix that all together, and then we could go ahead and put the sandwich together. So exciting. Finally, guys, we are at the fun part, putting the sandwich together. Now, I have my extra toasty buns here. I'm going to add that mayo that we just made, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some nice leafy green lettuce, some red onion, a nice thin slice of tomato, let's not forget the delicious, amazing, show-stopping pickles. If you're not a pickle lover, I don't know what to tell you. I think you're missing out on life, but hey, whatever. These are actually Grillo pickles. They're the pickles that have like the garlic in them and the thyme. I got them from Walmart and they're so delicious. If you're a pickle fanatic like I am, amazing. Okay, now go ahead and add your salmon on top of there and then top it off with your bun. That's it. That's all, guys. You could add or take off whatever you want on your sandwich. Remember, it's all about what you like. And that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.